I'm going to show you how to record a screencast. In Google, just type in screencast-o-matic and go to this one, screencast-o-matic.com. Click Start Recording and then Launch Recorder, and the first time that you do it, it's going to ask you to download something and open something and run something. Do all of that. As you can see, I already have it open. And then after you do that, it's going to tell you that you need to go back to the website. So I usually click on that, click on Start Recording again, click Launch Recorder again, and then it should open it up. Once it opens, you are going to see something that looks like this, a black and white box, and then this record box right here. You can record either your screen, just what your webcam sees, or both, like I'm doing right now. You'll need to know how to change the size of the screencast, so you'll just click here. If you do full screen, then people will be able to see everything that's on your screen, including all these icons and whatever is at the top. If you change it to 720p or something else, then you'll see a black and white box in the middle of your screen somewhere. You can drag it around or you can change the shape, and people will only be able to see what's inside of that black and white box. So if your black and white box doesn't go to the top or the bottom of the screen, then you can make it so people can't see these icons down here or the top of the bar up here. I think that's all you need to know for that. Then click record, it will record. Click pause when you're done. And I'll show you what it looks like after you've finished recording. So you pause it and you click done, and then you get a box that looks like this. And you probably don't want to upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. If your YouTube account is if you're already signed into that, then you can upload it straight to YouTube. Or what I usually do is click Save as Video File. After you click on Save as Video File, then you get a screen that looks like this. And you can change your file name there. For the folder, choose where you want the video to be saved at. I usually just put it on the desktop. And cursor here, highlight cursor means that when people watch your video, there will be a little yellow thing around the cursor like you see on mine. That's usually a good idea because then it's easier to see the cursor, but you can turn that off if you want. And then when you click publish, it will take a minute or two, and then it will just save it onto your screen if you've saved it to the desktop. So like my file is right here, recording number 2. After you've saved your file, then go to YouTube if you're going to upload it there. That's an easy way to share it with people. I'm logged into my sister's account here. I'm on her computer. You'll click this. If you're signed in, you'll be able to click on this upload button. And then you'll just take the file off of your screen. Let's see if I can grab it. Looks like, there we go. And you'll drag it to there. You'll want to change the name probably, give it a description, and then you'll need to make sure the setting is right here. If you have it on private, then nobody else is going to be able to watch it besides you. If you have it on unlisted, then you can share a link with somebody and they'll be able to see it, but they won't be able to search for it on YouTube. If you put it as public, then people will be able to search for it and find it this way. You'll want to go to advanced settings, and usually here you'll either not allow comments, or if you do allow comments, I usually do I'll accept potentially inappropriate comments. You'll probably find that people on YouTube just like to leave inappropriate comments on everything. So you can change that setting there. Category, you can change that here, that's not as important. And then you'll click publish, and then the video will be uploaded on YouTube and you can share the link.